5,000 do follow backlinks. Page authority score of 18. Domain authority score of 45. RS domain rating of 18 out of 100. Google doesn't care if you have these good metrics. If your on-page SEO is horrible, you will not rank well for any keywords. I've seen several instances where websites with lower metrics are outranking websites that are bigger than them. Your page's position for search engine results pages depends on your page authority, number of referring domains to the page, mobile friendliness, article length, page load time and many other factors. Domain authority doesn't guarantee a higher position on search engine results pages. In this tutorial, I will teach you the basics of writing an optimized article for search engines. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Tribe Web Tech if you have not done that, and also share with your friends. To make this entire process understandable, I will be creating a new post and show you how I optimize it. To understand everything in this video, make sure that you watch my videos on keyword research, backlink building, backend SEO, and backlink indexing. I already have a pre-written article, so I won't bore you with writing the article. Before getting this article, I have done my keyword research, understood the difficulty, and also done SERP analysis. The keywords I want to target is 7 best Android apps, so I will use it as my title. Copy your title, add some possible keywords variations. You can use Google to get easy keywords variations. Next thing is to make sure that your focus keyword is on the first paragraph of your article. Try to keep it as closer to the beginning as possible. Your title and the variating keywords should be placed at the top of your article and used as the major heading. The major heading is also known as the H1 tag. Now I will copy the entire article and paste it, then show you what to do with each section. The article font and format looks disorganized, so I will pause this video and arrange it so it looks pleasing to the eyes. Much later. Now I'm done. Before working on the article, let us go to the post settings and set it up. First part is your label. You have to make sure that you use labels that are related to your contents. Depending on your website's theme, your other articles with the same labels will be recommended to your readers. Next is the publish date. You can either select automatic. This will automatically use the current date when you hit the publish button, or use schedule to pick a later date to post the article. Next is the permalink. This is the URL of your article. Automatically, a URL is created using the first words from your title or from your article body if the title is missing. Usually these automatically generated titles are not search friendly because they might not be targeting any keywords. Click on Custom Permalink, make sure your URL contains your target keywords. Avoid stuffing irrelevant words in your URL. Making your URL short will make it easier for both search engine and humans to understand what the article is about before opening it. Once done with your permalink, the next is your search description. It is also known as meta description. I've already written a meta description for this article, so I'll simply copy and paste it. Your meta description should stay within 150 characters, it should contain your target keywords, and also explain what your article is all about. Your meta description should also be teasing, it should grab the attention of every reader. A good meta description will help increase your CTR on search results. The final setting is the custom robots tag. If you have seen my video on robots.txt settings, then you know what to do. If you have not seen the video, it should appear on your screen right now, or check the video description for the link to watch it. Now we are going back to the main article. The next thing you should do is interlinking. Some bloggers underestimate the power of interlinking their articles. In simpler terms, linking your article to your other blog posts is called interlinking. Most new bloggers ignore this, while the few that practices it don't do interlinking right, and they can't drive more traffic to their old post. Interlinking drives traffic and backlink juice to your old articles. Look for posts that are closely related to your current article, and then add a link to that post. Let's say I have a post on best new Android apps of 2020. That would be great to link to this current article, because they are both talking about Android apps, and my readers would likely want to see the best new apps of 2020. So what I will do is go to the post, copy its URL, find the keywords that is related to it in my current article, and then embed the URL in those keywords. I will recommend that the link should be opened in a new tab. Bolden the link to make it stand out and also place emphasis on it. The next thing is making a table of contents. This is not applicable to all articles, but since our post is talking about a number of items, it is a good practice to make a table of contents. You should watch my video on table of contents. There, I explained how to make a responsive table of contents for Blogger. WordPress users already have plugins that automatically does this for them. The next step is to change all your subheading to actual subheadings using the subheadings H2 tags. Since my article is about 7 items, I will make the beginning of each item a subheading. Next is to link out to a few sites. This should only be done if necessary. This article is talking about Android apps, so it is necessary to drop direct download links to these apps. Make sure every external link that goes out of your website is set to open in a new tab. You might decide to make it do follow or no follow. Keep in mind that giving too many do follow backlinks from one page is a bad practice. Try to make some external links as do follow and some as no follow. I will speed up this process, so I won't waste your time. Once done with interlinking, the next part is to upload images. Remember that according to Google Core Web Vitals from 2021, page speed and mobile friendliness will be important factors for ranking a post on Google's results pages. The size of your images matters a lot because larger images results to longer page load speed, and some images can be so large that they make a page not friendly to mobile devices. I want to upload these 3 images to my article. The size of the first image is 1 megabyte. Combined size of the three images are 1.45 megabyte. This is quite large and would negatively affect my page load speed. Before uploading these images, I need to reduce their sizes. To do that, I will use this online software called Reduce Images. The link can be found in the video description. Click on Select Image, go to the image location and select it. The image size is currently 1 MB. Scroll down and you will find some settings. There are 3 image formats to convert the image to. JPG is usually the best format and it significantly reduces the image size. PNG gives the best quality, but the image size is not significantly reduced. So I will use JPG format, reduce the percentage to 70, and then proceed. If you prefer PNG format, the quality cannot be changed. Once you have picked a preferred format, click on Resize, the image will be processed. The new size is 538 kilobytes from its initial 1.1 megabyte. If I had used the JPG format, the size would be lesser than this. I recommend you always use JPG. Click on the download icon and the image will be downloaded to your device. I will speed up the video and resize the other images. Once you have completed that, upload the image. First I will upload my main image. It is also known as the featured image. After uploading, change the image size to original. This might make your article look scattered now, but that shouldn't bother you, it will fix itself when published. Click on the images and click on the gear icon to open a new menu. Here you can set up the alternate and title text and also image size. Your title text should be similar to your article's title. Before doing that, I need to finalize my title. I will make the title longer by using another keywords variation. Now copy the entire title and make it the title text of your image. The alternative text should be the keywords that you are targeting. Once done, click on Update. Now I will upload the next image and follow the same process of using the original image size and adding the title and alternate text. After placing your images, click on Preview to see how your post will look like. The images are well arranged here, unlike how it looks like at the back end. Next thing is to use a search engine results page simulator to check how your page would look like in Google search. The URL to this website is in the video's description. So firstly, I will copy the title of my article and paste it in the title box. Next is the custom URL, I will copy that also and paste it. Copy the meta description and paste to the swell. This is how users will see your page on Google's search results. Closely examine it for any errors. This is why your meta description is very important, because it gives users a snippet of the whole article. An attractive meta description will attract more clicks. Your title should also be outstanding. You can also switch to the mobile version to see what it would look like on mobile devices. Once done and you are satisfied, go back to your article and click on Publish. Oh wait. The article's publish date is set as schedule, so I will simply go back to the post settings and change it to automatic. Now click on Publish, confirm the action, and give it some seconds to upload. Once done, you can visit the page to see what it looks like. Next thing is to submit the URL to Google's Search Console for indexing. Copy the URL and go to Google Search Console. Update your sitemap. Paste the URL in the inspection box and give it some seconds to load the data. It takes some minutes to index a URL. Click on Test Live URL. The page meets up to the required standard and doesn't have any errors. So this is the basic of optimizing your page for search engine. In our upcoming series of videos, I will show you more advanced actions to take for optimizing a web page for search engines. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my video tutorials. Is there any point in this video that you do not understand? Ask questions in the comment section and I will help you out. Thanks for watching and stay safe.